Imagine a system so powerful that it decodes the patterns of the universe. That's the 8 Trigrams or Bagua created by Fuxi over 4,000 years ago. Each trigram represents a force of nature like fire or water, and their interactions reveal the cycles of life, balance and change. These symbols became the foundation for the I Ching, one of the most influential texts in Chinese history. Want to learn how these symbols shaped ancient philosophy and influenced Daoism? Watch the full episode on Epochs across eras to uncover the wisdom of the 8 Trigrams.